each and every one of you, and we are the Chuckle Sandwich. Another day, another freshly packed content ready to be served to you. The topic that we're about to serve will revolve around Microsoft. Specifically, Microsoft just bought AcTivision Blizzard for $68.7 billion and now owns the company just since January 18, 2022. Oh, I hope you're getting excited. Now, let's not make it any longer. For further explanation, I would like to pass the floor to our next speaker. Please welcome Franz Monhit.
Microsoft. The company is so big you can barely find someone who doesn't know about it, or anything about it. Founded by two of today's most famous billionaires, Bill Gates and Paul Allen. You're probably used to the most popular product, Windows. Windows is literally the most used operating system for modern computers, office, or gaming, or any other purposes. And speaking of gaming, let's talk about the other side of our topic. Atari. One of the companies pushed the boundaries of gaming by taking part in the introduction of home consoles. Pushing away the traditional arcade systems, no more worries for using coins to play games. During this time, people can just play those video games at home, away from the noise of the arcades. Although, even with the success, there are still some difficulties. During 1979, a group of disgruntled Atari employees decided to quit and create their own company. AcTivision was the world's first third-party game development company, producing and publishing titles for other companies' platforms. February 8, 1991, 3 geniuses from notably Michael Mulhane, Frank Pierce, and Alan Adams founded another entertainment company. Initially known as Silicon and Synapse Incorporated, was soon known as Blizzard Entertainment. It was because these two companies merged together to form one of the best game production companies known today as AcTivision Blizzard. After several years of rapid expansion through acquisition of smaller game developers, AcTivision merged with Blizzard Entertainment in 2008 to create AcTivision Blizzard, forming one of the world's largest video game companies. And now on to the main event, January 18, 2022. Microsoft buys AcTivision Blizzard. For a whopping $68.7 billion deal, Microsoft has bought AcTivision Blizzard. With the AcTivision Blizzard acquisition, Microsoft is now the third largest company in the gaming industry. But is this good news? For me, yes. AcTivision Blizzard, in my opinion, has not been fully satisfying their customers. Judging from how much success the gaming franchise Microsoft has, I think that they will handle the productions of the newly owned titles greatly. But take my statement with a grain of salt, time will tell what will happen. At this point, we don't know what can happen, so the only thing we can possibly do is trust Microsoft to fulfill the fans' needs.